have been using this LAFCARE red light therapy belt for about a week now, and I'm really enjoying it. Now, it's a really simple concept. It has vibration built in. It has 3 modes of vibration, and then it has red lights, and it has about 5 actual intensities where it goes up in intensity, and then the 6th level is actually a flashing red light intensity. Now, this entire belt can connect to this Velcro piece right here, so you really can make it very small or very large to fit comfortably. And ideally, you want to have it directly on your skin so the red light works. Let me show you. So if I was just putting it on for demonstration, it goes on really easily. And now I have it on. It feels really nice on. It's supportive. You don't have to make it too tight. Because of all the little red lights, you might feel a little bit of slight scratchiness where all those red lights are, but it's barely noticeable. And then this is your control and your power. It has a battery in it, and you can charge it with USB-C. And then when you turn it on, you can choose your massage level. So I'm going to choose massage level 2, and then I can switch over to my red light intensity level. And I'm going to go for red light intensity 3. And then the bottom, you can choose how much time you want to go for. It'll automatically turn off once it's ready. And then you just attach it to the magnetic point on the belt, and it'll immediately start. And off the bat, the first thing you'll notice if you have it on is the vibration. You can always turn off the vibrations or the red light, and it feels really nice. But the red light is more intangible. Mine is feeling slight warmth. I don't really notice that I'm getting red light therapy in the moment, but I am feeling like my back is doing better throughout the week. It's such a funny thing with back pain. You notice it when it hurts and you forget about it when it doesn't. And if I look back on this past week, I haven't been complaining like I usually do about back pain. So I think it's working. I really love the way it feels, and I love that I can use this while I'm working at my desk or laying in my bed. It's just a really great therapy.